Well, Monday morning was rolled around at the hangar again, and John, he beat me in here this morning, and he just had carpal tunnel surgery last week. But he's up there polishing so that we can mount the antenna right where he's working. So anyway, that's how this day's starting. Still, so we had some problems the last couple of weeks with the wing flap motor. If you were doing a command to lower the flaps, the motor would cut in and cut out, and cut in and cut out. And we thought at first it was battery issues. So we got both batteries charged up. We had it hooked up to the ground power like you've seen us do before. And it still did the same thing, but then you do an up command and it would just run right up. So we're pretty sure that we've got a problem with the motor. It wasn't tripping a breaker or anything. Hold on. So we were able to procure 3 of these some years ago. This is the one that we just took out. And this is a spare. We have a third spare, and that's been installed in the airplane. But right now, this is the cover for the flat motor. We serviced this, I don't know, 10 years ago, something like that, and found that all the grease that we had put in there had just flown off to the sides and wasn't providing any lubrication for the gears. Let me get up in the fuselage. I'll show you what I'm talking about. Okay, so the light, I don't have any power in the fuselage, so I can't turn on the lights, but this is a gear train that this motor runs into to go to these shafts out to the flaps. Well, when Jan took this apart, the grease was just everywhere but where we needed to be. So we're trying to come up with a way that we might put some other kind of lubricant in it and have a sight glass. And that's what Jan's working on right now, is to decide how we're going to go about that. So John's getting a good start on polishing this roof. This is step 1, as he calls it. He's going to see what he can do about getting this whole back done one of these days. And now he gets to sit down on the job.
That's so nice.
So John is just up there just polishing away, man. He's making a dent in that. That's awesome. So last week I thought we would get the nut plates in the cabin roof for the antenna hold down. Well, we're doing it today. So I'm going to be bucking rivets and Jan's going to be hammering them. So stand by. All right, let's see if I can hold the camera. Hang on. All right, go ahead. I slipped off. Try it again.
Ready?
Yep. Okay. All right, that got it. Okay. All the nut plates are riveted in place. So now I got to see what the procedure is for grounding or whatever it is we need to do to install the antenna. So that's next. John got all of the polishing done where we need to place the antenna. He'll come back and get the rest of this later on. He just ran out of time today, but we're ready to put that antenna up here. Well, let me turn the camera around. I know last week we took this off, but now we've had to put it back on again because we're trying to understand what we have to do to put the weather strip in to seal this when the canopy is closed. I think we have a plan. So now we got to take this thing back off again and start doing the work that we have to do. This has got a tail. This is the stuff we're talking about. It's going to go down in here. It's going to be trapped between that backup rail and the canopy frame. So that's what we're going to be doing, and we'll see how that works out. So Jan and I have been working away here. I haven't been filming because this takes a long time to do this, but let me show you what we've got done. So we've been going from down here on the bottom. We've got all these screws. We've got this weather strip in here, and we're working on getting up here and around this corner here. And we have to locate the rubber strip. There's no holes in this. We have to find the holes. Then we've got a screw, and we have a flat plate nut. We call them Tinnerman nuts. And so I'll try to set this camera up. And we can watch how we do the front of this. So stand by. We want to do this. We want to put a couple more down here before we get to that, is what you're saying?
Yeah, we could do that. Be safe about it.
Okay. Okay. So the holes are here. We just got to find them.
Yep. Okay, stand by. Okay, go ahead. Okay, right here.
Okay. This one here.
Yeah. We'll just change out the screw on this one.
Okay.
I don't know, but okay.
Whoops.
Loosen it up just a little bit. We'll stand by. A little more loose. Yeah. Okay, tighten. Yep, tighten. Okay.
We got all the seal in on the copilot side, and it looks really well. We put the canopy back on, and it latches. That one hasn't got anything to do with that side, but you can see that draw down, and it's a really nice seal. So, yeah, onward we go. So the problem we have is that this doesn't have enough of a curve in it. So the plan is, I've put this board between the ends, and then we're going to stick another board in here and try to muscle this down and have it re-arc. We just don't want these sides flexing in stupid ways. So anyway, you can see that this is still really proud up here. It should ought to be 3/8 of an inch lower here than it is. And it's also colliding in here with the latches. So we have to move this metal, and we'll see if we can get her done. Well, so you see the smile on my face? Check this out. Okay, check this out. It fits. The latches work. It opens. It closes down. It latches again. It doesn't move. I can do it from the outside. This is a great day at the height maintenance hangar. Holy cow. All right, so all that's left now, I'm going to have to cut these U-bolts off. I don't need them so long. Do the rest of the, there's some hardware in here that needs to go in different places along here. But get that done. We can put the glass on. We can put the weather seal in. We're happy campers. Okay, full disclosure here. I didn't record how I went about bending that frame. Basically, I stuck a broomstick in the curve, and I was really afraid that something would go wrong. But as it turned out, it's fantastic. It closes nice. We're going to be able to move ahead with this project. I guess I'll end the video here. Every day's just a little more effort to accomplish little things, and we just got to keep going, and we'll get there. I hope you found value in this video, and I would really appreciate any comments that you might have to provide for me. Please subscribe, like, and share, and we'll see you next week. Thanks for watching. Keep going. You guys are too noisy.
After the election? Oh, some of us did. They were busy here.
I know. Keep it to a whisper.